What's up, everybody? It is August 16th, 2019. Elijah here, coming at you with some more trade reviews. So first things first, actually let me switch this over to my first trade of the day, which makes absolutely no sense. I decided to go long on Apple right here, right like at 9:31, which is earlier than I usually trade, and I got stopped out immediately. Then I thought, oh, it's gonna bounce. I go long again, 9:32 is it? Then I get stopped out again. I'm like, what am I doing going so early? So now I'm done with Apple. So go to NVIDIA, NVDA. It's already up like a significant amount. Look at this. And it goes up, boom, I get long here, which actually isn't all that bad, except it did, once I got long, I should have added right here. And then I could have, would have, should have had a really profitable trade, but I didn't. I got out like 25% here, then just got stopped out the rest. And a reactionary trade of mine, I went long again, boom, boom, got stopped out here and there. So that was not good. I was down a good amount just to start the day, and I usually never trade in the first 5 minutes, so I got to get this under control. So I went long again here. I thought at this point it looked like it was forming a triangle here on the 5 minute. I got out a little bit here just in case, and I'm glad I did, because I got out the rest here once I saw it got rejected yet again. So it's no longer forming that triangle. Now it's looks like a short. Now it's below the VWAP. So I waited till it retested here. I shorted, got out real quick just in case, and it came back up. I shorted again, got out, and got out. So those were profitable on NVIDIA. But the real one that I also had a loss on this one too. It's Roku. So let's see what I did. So Roku went down again significantly. I thought here this was gonna bounce. I should have waited for the 5 minute candle to close. I don't know what it is with today. I'm just a little impatient. So I went long. I got stopped out immediately. Then I thought, you know what? This 5 minute candle's not looking so healthy. Let's go short. So I shorted it and covered, and that was that. And then I didn't do. I mean, maybe my NVIDIA trade was in between here and here, but here's the real winner. The one that really, aside from the NVIDIA shorts, that got me back on track was right here. I went long here. I told myself it's going to come down here to 128.20 or something like that. You got to go. You got to add in right here. I saw the moving averages were about to cross, but did I add in? No, not yet, but at least I thought about it, for the third or fourth time in the last few trades. Even though I don't take action, it's the thought that counts, right? No, not really. But anyway, I went long here. I saw it getting above the VWAP, sold, and I'm green for the day, barely, but I am happy that I got out of that pit I was in. So that's the thing, is I'm having a really nice week, so I just want to end it well. And it didn't start out well today, but I'm happy that it ended well. And the thing is, I've been here before, and I've really blown up things before, so I had to be, just calm down, just take your time, let the game come to you. Don't try to force it, don't try to get in, trades you don't want to be in, trying to make them work, because you have no control over it. So just let the game come to you. So yeah, I'm happy that I waited here. I should have added in here, wish I did, but at any rate, I'm happy to be green, and even though it's a tough day, and yeah, well, thank you all. Have a great rest of your day, and have a good weekend. Bye.